तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि।
What you wrote? English translation or what? What you wrote? English translation? What English?
Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrindam. Hare Krishna 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 Hare
Brightness is very low.
Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. अब एकादशी काल हम लोग श्री श्री भजन रस ग्रंथ अध्ययन कर रहे हैं, जिसमें अष्टम जाम साधन के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
Hare Krishna. So we are hearing about the Bhajan Rahasya Ashtam Yam Sadhan. So we have been studying the shlok number 15 or 16 or 17 yesterday. Switch on the fan.
के साथ मिलने के लिए
That one.
जो प्रार्थना का नहीं कोई कृष्णा निखिल भुवन लक्ष्मी नित्यलीला संपदाब्धन कमल विधि गर्भ सर्व Sabdan Sarvasu Sabdan Kanada Abhayadanam Purigaradam Vidabdhan Mobihutam Sita Krishna Padam Vidabdhan. श्री कृष्ण के जो पादपद्मों निखिल भुवन लक्ष्मी नित्य जिला संपद जो कमल की राशि राशि सुबह को वर्गों को सर्व करने वाले हैं तथा जो प्रणव जनों को आश्रय प्रदान करने में प्रगाढ़ शक्तिशाली होने से सर्वत्र समावेश है। उन श्री कृष्ण पार्वत में मेरा चित्त अनेक वचनों आनंद को
Hare Krishna. Don't go anywhere.
कमल विपिन गर्भ क्षय जारी है अनंत भयदानी पौर शक्ति हेन कृष्ण पाद परम कृष्ण अपूर्व शांति
In the Ras Leela, when Krishna was disappeared from there, so Krishna again appeared there. When Krishna disappeared from the Ras and all the gopis in the separation for Krishna, they were suffering so much. They went to Yamuna bank, and then Krishna at that time so Krishna heard the so much istav and stuti from the gopis, and he couldn't stop himself. And what he did, at the assembly of Gopiya, where Gopiya assembled,
गोपी गीत यानी कृष्ण के
or Gopi Geet was singing, so who were reminding so much the separation things, so Krishna appeared there.
लीला स्वरूप उनका अभिप्राय व्यक्त करते हैं कि आपकी राधा रानी ने कृष्ण को पदकमल को अपने हृदय पर धारण कर रखा है। राधा जी के पास श्री कृष्ण का निर्भीक निकुंज में विलास करते हैं। श्री राधा के अंगों पर रखते हैं कि उनकी आरोग्य हृदय भी रोटी हो जाते हैं। उनकी कुंकुमाक्ष चरण हमारे हृदय में स्फुटित हो प्रस्फुटित। कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर
So Krishna's beautiful, soft
और
and
आरक्षित चरण
so the footprints which is full of with colored with kumkum, soft.
उनकी कुंकुमाक्ष चरण हमारे हृदय में प्रस्फुटित हो। उनके
He is beautiful, soft,
वर्णन करते हुए
colored with kumkum feet manifested in our heart. So Gopis sing like this.
यहाँ पर कोई कहे
Here someone say
ये कमल इतने सुंदर है,
the lotus flower is so much beautiful.
सुंदर हो कि कैसे पराजित करें कृष्ण के सुंदर चरण को। इसी शंका को उठाते हुए टीकाकार कह रहे हैं क्या, जोड़िय पंचेंद्रियों की शीतलता, सौरभ्य, सुकुमारता और सौंदर्य प्रदान करता है। उसके मकरंद पान करने के लिए भ्रमर भी मस्त हो जाते हैं। इस जगत में जितने भी सुंदर वस्तु है,
In this world there are so many beautiful things.
वो क्या है?
What are those? Those all are temporary.
जोड़िय कमल यद्यपि पंच इंद्रियों को शीतलता, सौरभ्य और सुकुमारता और सौंदर्य प्रदान करता है।
So this lotus flower provide our five senses so much beautifulness, the fragrance. So it attracts the human being.
सुगंध के आस्वादन के द्वारा भ्रमर मस्त हो जाते हैं। दूर दूर से भ्रमर
Also bumblebee and bees are attracted toward those flowers from so far. For relishing that fragrance and the lotus flower, they used to come to the flowers from so far.
मस्त हो जाते हैं। ये तो बात है।
This is true.
परंतु कृष्ण के चरण कमल की माधुर्यता,
But Krishna's lotus feet sweetness is incredible. It is different. What are the example are giving?
जगत में जो कमल है,
So whatever the flower in the mic words,
लोटस, जब प्रस्फुटित होता है,
when it blossoms, all kinds of bumblebee come and relish
मकरंद जो
that flower.
और मकरंद पान कर जो क्या हो जाता है,
And after relishing that, they become so much intoxicated.
किंतु कहो
But if you say,
कृष्ण की चरण कमल की माधुर्यता है क्या?
उधर बैठ जाओ, सामने बैठ जाओ.
समस्त प्राणी मात्र की शोभा संपत्ति स्वरूप है।
निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल ब्रजवासी गणों की जय जयकार हो.
कृष्ण के चरण कमल की शोभा,
So the beauty of Krishna's feet,
प्राकृतिक प्राकृत अपराकृत समस्त प्राणी मात्र के भी
So it attracted to the transcendental and material, both kinds of human beings.
कि नित्य लीला में वो आस्पद है। देखो ये भगवान लक्ष्मी जी कृष्ण की चरण कमल की मकरंद आस्वादन करने के लिए कैसे उन्मत्त है।
So Lakshmi also attracted so much or intoxicated for relishing the Krishna's lotus beauty and the sweetness.
नारायण वैकुंठ में
In the Vaikunt,
नारायण के क्या कहा जाता है?
Narayan, what is Narayan called?
विलास।
What?
वही नारायण की चरण कमल की
So Narayan is called the Vilas Vigraha of Shri Krishna.
सुगंध प्राप्त करके
So after getting that Vilas Vigraha, the Narayan's flowers, tulsi fragrance, so they were so four Kumars, they were so much intoxicated, and they left the Brahmavadi.
भगवान की चरण कमल की और केवल तुलसी मकरंद।
So when they got the fragrance of the tulsi, of the tulsi of the feet of Narayan, so they were so much intoxicated. So who can describe about the fragrance to Krishna's feet? In the Vaikunt, Narayan is called the Vilas Vigraha of Krishna. नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है मौसम।
इसमें कहे कि निखिल भुवन लक्ष्मी की नित्य लीला की आस्पद है। ये लक्ष्मियां उन चरण कमल पर अपना सर्वस्व समर्पित करती हैं। एक नहीं,
Not only one.
सहस्र लक्ष्मियां,
Not only 100 of 100 Lakshmi is,
जितने ही अवतार आदि हैं,
those are the incarnation in the Vaikunts. All the wife's name is Lakshmi. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha. So all the incarnation of Bhagwan, so their wife's name is Lakshmi.
दामोदर, ये सब क्या है? सब कृष्ण के ही
So these all are the expansion of Krishna. Keshavadrita Nare, Meenashare, Jai Jagdish Hare.
जय जगदीश हरे, केशव शरीर, जय जगदीश हरे, जय जगदीश हरे। केशव धृत वराह रूप, जय जगदीश हरे। केशव धृत नरहरि रूप, जय जगदीश हरे। वही जगदीश कृष्णा कौन है? केशव धृत नरहरि रूप, जय जगदीश।
So who is that Jagdish? Who is the Keshavanandan, Keshavadita, Narahari?
वही केशव मानो
So he is the same Keshav in the Vaikunt and other planets. He is manifested so many forms in the form of Narayan.
क्या कहते हैं? केशव
In the Vrindavan he is called Keshav.
ब्रह्मा शिव के जो ईश्वर एक नहीं, अनंत करोड़ ब्रह्मा।
So who are the Ishwar of Brahma and Shiv? Not only one, the crore Brahma and Shiv Ishwar. He is called Keshav, and he is also Rasik Shekhar. He always relish the Ras Madhurya. How? He is so much he is controlled by the love and affection of Srimati Radhika. So he is asking the begging of love in the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. That's why it is saying Ismaral Garan Khandanam Mam Sirsimanam Dehi Pada Pallavudha. So this is Krishna saying, even not here only,
श्रीमती राधिका कहती हैं,
Srimati Radhika said,
हे कृष्ण,
"Hey Krishna,
मेरे चरण में जो है आप अलता,
please put alta on my feet." It's alta means there's a red color something liquid which is used in festival in
मेरे
India.
चरण में अलता लगा।
So Radharani is saying that, "Hey Krishna, please put alta on my
अलता
feet."
लगाना काम की- अलता समझती हो?
Alta, yes. What is alta?
रेड ब्लैक
So there's a
जो है
something like red colored.
यहाँ पर शादी के समय पैर में
So and in India all the festivals and auspicious ceremony
महावर्ग
and in the marriage time the girls and the ladies used it in their feet.
पैर में महावर लगाना किसके काम है ये? जानते हो?
Who
ये जो नाई के काम
put this alta or mahavar in the feet of ladies? This is the work of the nai. Nai means nine. There is a caste. So the person who are belongs to nai caste. So they used to put the alta from the feet to the feet of the ladies who are going to get married or there is some festival somewhere. Nowadays people have forgotten everything.
से बुलाया जाता है।
So they have been called. So these caste people have been called for putting the alta on their feet.
उनके काम नाखून काटना,
So cutting the nails.
केश आदि के जो है श्रृंगार आदि करना,
So
जो बाल देखेंगे तो छोटा
dressing the hairs. These all kinds of works of nai peoples. Nai.
दूसरी जो है शादी के समय वो आते हैं क्या बोले जो चूड़ियाँ जो पहनती है, चूड़ियाँ जो
Malihar.
मणिहार है,
So the person who used to
ये सब
give bangles to the ladies at the time of marriage. So this is a different caste. This is called Malihari. Maybe you have heard that bhajan, Malihari ka vesh banaya, Sham chudi vesh ne aaya. So Malihari means the person who sells the bangles. So every different castes have a different works.
ब्राइडग्रूम और उनको ये सब काम है। और जो मणिहारी ये है
So the Manihari,
शंखा वाले हाथ में शंखा जो है बलय,
they used to put on some kinds of bangles in their hands and they used to sell this. It is their identifications.
अपना ही पहनती
So now some people are putting on the bangles on their hands, some puttings are alta in their feet. So they are doing themselves. And even what to say about that they are doing themselves. Nowadays people are not doing this also. So in some places this is the ritual is happening, that people are coming from the outside like the Manihari caste and who are the Bengal seller and the person who is Nai, the barber is a caste. They used to come from the outside and used to do all these things some places. But this now gradually this all the rituals or tradition is going to be disappear. So in this way Krishna is doing the Istavenustuti in the feet of Radhika Rani. And what that Krishna do? That Krishna is putting the alta on the feet of Srimati Radhika. Radhaji is giving the order to Krishna, "Oh Krishna, please put alta on my feet." And Krishna is doing the same. He is following the instructions of Srimati Radhika. Krishna doesn't have the habit to put on alta or mahavar in anybody's feet. Now there was one washerman. So he had one donkey and one dog in his house. So the donkey said to the dog, Hey dog, you doesn't do anything. Whole day you just eat and sleep. And look, and Malik, the master, pay you so much respect.
मालिक तुमको क्या करते हैं, चुम्बन करते हैं,
Malik gives you so much things for eating. He loves you so much.
और मेरा गाधा होने के नाते
And being a donkey,
मैं सारा दिन इतने काम
whole
करता
day I worked so hard.
हूं, पीठ पर कितने लोड लेकर के चलता
I used to keep so much luggage on my vest, and the master doesn't give me anything, and he doesn't love me.
कुत्ता बोले देखो
The dog said, "Look,
तुम्हारे काम हमारे काम अलग है। गधा बोले ठीक है, तुम्हारे काम क्या है? मेरे चोर आ जाए ना, तो मैं
yes, everything is connected.
तुम्हारी सचेत हो जाता है, ये मेरा काम है।
It is near the mic. What should I do?"
गधा बोले ठीक है, तुम्हारे मैं काम करूंगा। कुत्ते बोले करके देखो कैसे हो। अच्छा, एक दिन रात में सचमुच एक चोर आ गया, जोगी के घर में क्या आ गया? चोर आ गया।
So one day, what happened
कुत्ता
at the time?
इशारा किया,
One
मेरे काम करके दिखाओ।
one theft come into the house of that washerman. So what happened? So that donkey was doing dhanchu, dhanchu, dhanchu. Arey, don't do this.
मालिक बोली, ये इतने रात में
The master said, "What happened at the night? That why this donkey is doing like dhanchu, dhanchu, dhanchu?
वो मालिक ने क्या
Why is disturbing so much?" So what that dhobi did, washerman did, he hold one stick and started beating to donkey.
गधा बोले,
So the donkey said, the dog said, so dog said, you have to do your work and I have to do my work. So if you do mine works, then you will be beaten.
और एक दिन फिर
So one day what happened?
दूसरे दिन चोर है,
Next day the thief came again.
कुत्ता थोड़ा घर ऊपर ले गया,
So the dog started barking, and what he saw that the thief is running.
अब्बा का दूध चोर भाग गया। अच्छा चलो, मालिक ने देखे कुत्ते को कैसे किया, हाल नहीं किया।
So when dogs were working on the thief, so the thief ran away. And what happened that at that time, that master gives so much love and affection to the dogs. So in this way, the master said to the dogs that you have saved my money. You have saved my money. So in this way, Krishna is Parbrahm Bhagwan, but it is not his duty to put on altar on the feet. But what he is doing,
माने नाई के जो काम है,
so whatever the works of a nai belongs to nai, there is a caste.
पैर में क्या लगा
So this is the work of nai. Nai always used to put altar on the feet of ladies, but now Bhagwan is doing these things.
ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े-बड़े देवताओं
Brahma and other big devtas
दिव्य चरण कमल,
who are worshipping and doing the Astavistuti of that feet. So that same Parbrahm Bhagwan Krishna is doing this kinds of work.
चरण इसमें कन्हैया लक्ष्मी इन चरण कमलों का सर्वस्व समर्पित करती है। श्री कृष्ण अपने चरण स्पर्श से इनकी कंदर व आदि को दूर कराते हैं। और कृष्ण
And Krishna,
इतनी सुंदर शीतल जो है, जावई सिया उचिता वजाधि रक्त कामई। श्रीमद् भागवत में
in the Srimad Bhagavatam, this is described.
वजाधि रक्त कामई जगत मुझे महाराजगोष्ठम, राजनीति महागोष्ठ में गोपियां प्रेम में जो
So in the Maharas, when Gopiya so much absurd or intoxicated in love, that what they used to do.
शरीर की ताप दूर करने के लिए
So by removing the heat of their body, what they do?
गोविंद के ऐसे सुंदर सुकोमल स्निग्ध शीतल चरण कमल को अपने।
So for removing the heat of their body, what they used to do, they used to keep the beautiful cool feet of Govind on their breast.
जिनकी चरण कमल लक्ष्मी आदि
So whose feet Lakshmi and other Devis
मसाज करती हैं।
massaging.
आप इसलिए जावी से अथवा अर्चन करते, जावी से
or do the archan.
ब्रह्मा आदि देवता लोग,
Brahma and other devtas,
लक्ष्मी आदि देवियां
Lakshmi and other devis
शरण कमल के अर्चन करते हैं।
who used to do archan of these kinds of feats.
रासो महापुष्टम,
और इन-
रासृति महापुष्टम,
So in the Ras Mahagosht, the gopis,
नृत्य करते करते जब थक जाते
when
हैं,
they were dancing and they were so much tired,
थक जाते हैं।
so when they so much tired
और
after
उनके शरीर
dancing
में इतने उत्साह होता है,
and there is so much heat in their body,
और उस समय वो क्या करते
so
हैं,
at that time what they used to do,
कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर सुकुमार
so they used to put on some beautiful, soft and cool
चरण कमल के
lotus
अपने
feet
पक्ष
of
पर
Krishna
धारण
put on
करके
their breast
ताप ताप के जो है,
for removing the heat of their body.
देखो कितना
So how beautifully is described here.
और
What a beautiful feelings of the gopis they have.
बड़े बड़े योगियों के
So the big yogis,
अत्यंत दुर्लभ
which is very rare to them,
जो चरण कमल है, और सुंदर
that Krishna is doing this kinds of leela and then gopis are doing this kinds of leela. So here it is also saying
कृष्ण के चरण कमल, श्री कृष्ण की चरण स्पर्श से उनकी कंदर्प आरती को दूर करती है। ब्रजवृंदा ने प्रणय पूर्वक उन चरण कमल को अपने हृदय पर धारण करती है तथा सर्व प्रकार से सेवा करती है। इसलिए तो कृष्ण की चरण कमल के इतने महिमा,
that's why they are glorifying of the Krishna's lotus feet.
के साथ कृष्ण के चरण के साथ क्यों तुलना की है?
So why Krishna's feet is comparing with the lotus? Because Krishna's this lotus gives also the pleasure, little bit of coolness to the peoples or the bumblebees for in a very short time or very temporary. But Govind's lotus feet is giving the beautifulness, the coolness to everyone for eternal time, for a long time, for permanently. That's why here it is saying now here. That's why Gopias always put their feet on their chest.
करुणा वरुण करुणामय विपुलायतनयनं कामधापुजकलसी भार विपुलीकृतपुलकम् मुरलीरव तरलीकृतमुनिमानसनलिनं मम खिलतु मदचितसि मधुरा अधर स्मृतम।
So how beautiful shlokas are here.
तरुण अरुण करुणामयम विपुल आयतन नयनम, जिनकी नेत्र ज्वल तरुण अरुण वर्ण तथा करुणामय है, अति विशाल विस्तार युक्त है, कमला कुटकलस्थ से स्पर्श से जिनकी अंग पुलकित हो रहे हैं, उनकी मुरली ध्वनि को सुनकर मुनियों के मन भी मुनियों के भांति चंचल हो जाते हैं। उनका मधुर अधर सुधा मेरे मदमस्त चित्त में विरा विहार करें।
So Bilvamangal Thakur in Shri Krishna Karnamrit Grantha, he is describing these shlokas. How beautiful shlokas this. Taruna Aruna Karuna, like this.
जिनकी नेत्र जीवल कैसे तरुण तरुण माने
No. Whose eyes are very restless, very chanchal. very naughty, just like
तरुण काल में किशोर आने के साथ ही साथ मन में चंचलता आ जाता है।
when the person becomes younger or tarun, so there are many kinds of restlessness comes in his mind. So here it is saying the whose eyes are so much restless and it goes here and there, very very chanchal, very very naughty. So when the boys become so young, so or which is called the kishora avastha, so when it comes, so the restlessness of the mind or the eyes increases so much. So both the corners of the eyes are reddish, little bit red.
तथा करुणामय है और आंखों के व्यक्ति ऐसे लगते हैं ये कृष्ण कितनी करुणामय है।
So seeing the eyes of Krishna, it looks like that how merciful Krishna is. Who is Karunamay? Who is merciful? Who after seeing the someone's sorrow, they feel so much pity. They are called so much merciful. For removing the sorrow of the person who always try to do so much efforts, just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is a Karunamay. So being Karunamay, he is so much busy to distributing the Prem Dhan. So somebody, how much amount compassion will be developed in somebody's heart, so he will be so compassionate.
माया के द्वारा कबलित होकर के कैसे संसार में भटक रहे हैं।
People are wondering in this world why the suffering from the Maya. All are in this world, everybody is suffering. So externally they are showing that I am so much happy, but actually all are unhappy. Because this world is full of sorrow. Where you can find the happiness, you don't know. So we are suffering in this material world which is full of sorrow.
ऐसे दुखी जीवों की करुणा करने के लिए, कृपा करने के लिए,
for giving the mercy of these kinds of people, Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is always ready. That how can I distribute my love to this person? Because for accepting the Krishna Prem, Jeev will be liberated from all kinds of sorrow and he will get the abode of Bhagwan. So until you will live in this world, you will be suffered. Maya will tease you. You have to face Maya again and again on the every step of your life. So that's why Sant Mahatma always used to say, just leave this world and go to Vrindavan. So chal re man Shri Vrindavan. So what you will do after going to Vrindavan? So we will serve the gopis lotus feet after going to Golok Vrindavan. So when you will feel hungry, so what you will do then? So you will go to Brajvasi's house and begging there. And if you are thirsty, then what you will do? You will go to the bank of Yamuna and will take the water of Yamuna. So there is a kirtan. Chal re man Shri Vrindavan, japenge Radhe Radhe. Beautiful kirtan it is. It is a beautiful kirtan. So in the Braj, every streets, every corner, we will chant the holy name Radhe, 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 Radhe. चल रे मन श्री वृंदावन क्या करेंगे ज्यादा जपेंगे राधे राधे. How beautiful bhavs are there. Everybody has to learn this bhajan. But I am saying. So Krishna's eyes are like who always provides or distribute the karuna to everyone, to compassion to everybody. So that how Jeev is suffering in this world. So he is giving the compassion. Oh, take my compassion and come to my abode. So who are staying in this world, they will suffer so much. So some are taking the compassion of Krishna's and getting the mercy of Krishna. They leave this world and go to Golok Vrindavan. And Krishna's eyes is so big. He has a long and big eyes. From eyes to half tears, his eyes is so big. Bhagwan eyes is so big. You can see the expression of Gurudev. He is telling
जिनकी मुरली धन के सुनकर मुनियों के मन भी मुनियों के भांति चंचल हो जाते हैं. मुनि लोग.
So those are the muni who are the meditating muni. So when they meditate upon, when they sit, and then what happens, hearing the sounds of the flutes of the Govind. So this kinds of big Munindra, Yogindra, Jnanendra, Dhyanendra. Dhyanendra means who are meditating. Yogindra, Munindra, Dhyanendra, Jnanendra. So what happens to them? So their hearts also get the restlessness like a lotus. So Bilvamangal Thakur, he is praying. So this kinds of Krishna's beautiful lips, they do the Kida Vistar of my. What my mind wants. Krishna's sweet Adramrit, the nectar of his lips. Would they complete 4 shlok today? How many? 4?
मधुरा मुरली सने मुनिसन पद्म बने तरलिता करे सर्वभान कृष्ण मुद्रा अधरम परमृत ससधर कृष्ण मोर करूपन.
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing here. So Krishna has this kinds of nectar of his lips. When I will taste that? When I will taste the beautiful nectar of his lips? He is Bhaktivinoda Thakur is praising like praying like this.
कुंज
Gurudev is enjoying himself today. He is enjoying himself today. He is enjoying. So Seva Kunj Katha is describing here. So in the Braj there are many Seva Kunj, not only one. We used to do many Seva Kunj. There are many Seva Kunj in Braj. Wherever Radha and Krishna is connecting and meeting each other, and all the Sakhis, so all the Sakhis are serving to Radha Govind. This place is called Seva Kunj. That is called Seva Kunj, where all the Sakhis serving to Shri Radha Krishna. Oh God, understand. So in the Braj there is not only one Seva Kunj, there are many Seva Kunj in Braj, where Radha Krishna is being served. So in the Kunj where Radha Govind is being served, so that call is Seva Kunj. That Kunj is called Seva Kunj. Windows.
और उससे सखियां क्या करती हैं? चुप करके देखती हैं.
So when Radha Krishna is meeting in the Kunj, so what the Sakhis used to do? They used to peep inside that what and Radha Krishna is doing. Have you seen? We have never seen. What? Have you seen? So we have never seen.
युगल गवाक्ष से कुंज गवाक्ष से विरारस का अवलोकन कर रही हैं। कृष्ण सज्जा पर उठकर बैठे हुए राधा जी को संग से दूर करने के लिए उनके अंगमार्जन तथा प्रकृति विजन कर पुनः मदन जीवन का चेष्टा कर रहे हैं। साक्षात अमृत स्वरूप श्री कृष्ण हमारी सखी राधा जी को सौभाग्य आनंद में उन्मत्त करते हैं। श्री राधा जी की अधर सुधा का पान कर कृष्ण के सामूहिक तरुण नयन और भी अधिक लाल लाल हो गए हैं।
So we will discuss this shloka tomorrow.
कृष्ण बार बार
So we will discuss this.
राधा जी की अधर सुधा का पान कर
Krishna is relishing the other Sudha, the lips of Shrimati Radhika Rani. Relishing the lips, relishing or kissing the lips. Wow. So this is the meeting Katha.
राधा जी क्या हो जाती है? शांत हो जाती है। फिर राधा जी की कपोल से कृष्णा के बूंद टपकते अथवा कृष्ण के मस्तक से कृष्णा की बूंद टपकते रहते। उस समय सखियां कैसे दोनों को क्या करते हैं? गाइडन करते हैं, पंखा लेके के हवा करते हैं। ये राधा के श्रम बिंदु अपरोधार्थ दूर करने के लिए।
So when Radha and Krishna become so much tired, so after that what and when they both were sweating, so all the manjaris they used to do fanning on Radha and Krishna, because the drops of sweating is coming down from their cheeks. So seeing this kinds of Rati Shram of the So seeing these kinds of drops of sweating into the cheeks of Srimati Radhika, so Krishna gets so much compassion.
नाना
He
प्रकार
be-
की चेष्टा करती है कि राधा को अपने गोद में बैठे और उनकी अंग स्पर्श करने से राधा कृष्ण दोनों ही अष्टावक्र विकास भाव रूपी महासमुद्र में डूबते लगते हैं। देखो
So
दोनों की कैसे लीला चल रही है।
So the Leela is going on of both Radha and Krishna. What they were doing,
दोनों के हृदय में अष्टावक्र विकार एक
both of their hearts is full of Ashtasattvic Vikar. So Ashtasattvic Vikar is manifesting in both hearts. Romancha, Kampashru, all these kinds of, so the tears is the sweating is coming out. So these all are the symptoms of Ashtasattvic Vikars.
श्री कृष्ण की मुरली वादन से मुनियों का कठोर मन भी चंचल हो जाता है।
So when Krishna plays the flutes, so after hearing the sounds of the flutes, the munis who were meditating, so they disturbs. So the tapasya karne wale. So the person who are doing so much hard renunciation or doing the hard austerities, so when they hear the sounds of the Govind's flutes, so their heart becomes so much restless. Their mind becomes so much restless.
ऐसे मुनि लोगों की चित्त भी चंचल हो जाता है। ऐसे न गोविंद के मुरली ध्वनि श्रवण करें। बड़े बड़े योगींद्र ज्ञानींद्र
Big Yogindra, Gyanindra, and the Dhyanindra,
चंचल कर देते हैं।
who make their mind disturbs. Krishna's sounds of flutes makes their minds disturbs. So now the artist time is going on. We will discuss all these things tomorrow. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
जब श्री राधा मान करती है तब श्री कृष्ण ने नाना प्रकार से मानते हैं और मान दूर न होने पर हाथ करके करते हुए चरण में भी राधा जी का मान कर लेती और कृष्ण
When Radhaji got man and Krishna was so much suffering, and he comes to the feet of Radhika Rani and praying so much, and
आज से हमारा यह गलती
so he always requests to Radharani that from today onwards I will not commit any kinds of mistake again.
इनको राधा जी गलतियां मानने वाले नहीं।
But Radha and other gopiyas, they are not
राधा जी मान करके जब बैठ
pacified her mans, and when Radhaji got man and she is sitting somewhere
दूसरी तरफ
and she turned the face from another side from Krishna,
कृष्ण क्या करते
so at that time what Krishna does,
ऐसे राधा के चरण कमल
he comes to the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani and holding the feet of Radhika Rani and crying, "Oh Radhike, please forgive me. From tomorrow onwards I will not do any kinds of mistake."
कृष्ण उन्हें नाना प्रकार से मनाते हैं।
Then Krishna
न होने पर आहा करते हुए
Then Krishna comes to her and pleading so much, but her man is not pacified. So Radhaji's man is not pacified very easily.
उसी गहन मान को मुरली एक तान दूर कर देते हैं। देखो राधा जी जो मान करती है
When Radha and other gopis get man, this kinds of man,
अंत में
so Krishna at least what he used to do, he used to play the flute, and when he used to play the flutes,
ये तो ब्रह्मास्त्र है।
so this is the Brahmastra of Krishna,
यह ब्रह्मास्त्र है।
the flutes sounds.
सबके हृदय को देख लेते हैं लगा।
So when everybody hears the sounds of the flute, so everybody minds disturbs, everybody minds is restless.
बड़े-बड़े
So big munis, devtas, they disturbs after hearing the sounds of Govinda.
वह मुरली का तान राधा की कर्णों में प्रवेश कर उन्हें उन्मादी बना देती है और ऐसी कृष्ण की मुरली जययुक्त हो।
So the sounds of flutes make the restless to the pupils. So we are paying the joy of that kinds of Murli sounds. So the sounds of the flutes is able to pacify the mind of Shrimati Radhika. That's why it is saying Radhe Radhe Bali Muli Daki Ve Madhya Ishwari Naam.
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing in this way. In the Braj, staying in the Braj, so this is the bhajan Vasishtha is showing here. Krishna played the flutes, sounds of the flutes. Then all the gopis, they were doing their own work. After hearing the sound of the flutes, it attracts everybody's heart.
So when the gopis doing their householdings and working their home, so when they heard the sounds of the Govind, so their mind becomes restless, and they are trying so many efforts to meet with Krishna. क्या?
कितने समय मुरली के धनी पहुंचे कहाँ पर राज्य कुछ पता नहीं.
So when the gopis were dressing themselves, they are make-upping themselves. So what happened when they hear the sounds of the gopis? When they heard the sounds of the Govind, so they are putting the lipstick on their forehead. They are putting the necklace in their feet. They are putting the bangles on their feet. So all the ornaments they are putting in the different places. So because their minds are restless. So when these gopiyas in this way comes to Krishna and they say, Gopi, hey Krishna, we have decorated ourselves yourself. So they ask how we are looking. So Krishna said, aho bhav, you are looking so beautiful, very gorgeous. And then Krishna given the mirror to Radhaji, because the necklace of the neck she is putting on the feet, and she is putting the nupur on his neck, on her neck, and so Sakhis are thinking they are very beautiful. So how this all things happened? Because by the sounds of the Govind's flutes. Because everybody's hearts disturbed after hearing the sounds of the flutes of the Govind. Because they have to be with Krishna very quickly. So if you are going somewhere for very quickly, so maybe you will forget so many things. That's why when people they plan for any journey, so they used to pack everything very quickly before the time, because when you will go, so all the things will go here and there. They will leave many things. So before going to some journey, so before one day they has to pack all the things. Only one kurta and one dhoti they has to keep. And the people who are putting jeans and t-shirts, so they have to keep out the jeans and t-shirts, one pair of clothes. And if you say no, I will do everything at the same day, so it is not possible to you to carry all the things at the same time, so you will forget some things. So this is true, so that you will miss the flight if you got late. So that's why one day before you have to pack your all the luggage, and one pair of clothes whatever you are putting, you used to put on, so you keep that aside, that oh, I will put on this tomorrow. That's it. So this is the way to packing your stuff. Then Radhaji came to Krishna, and Krishna saw is all the alankar ornaments are on a right proper way. So what he saw, that she has put on the kajal in her one eyes, and another eyes is there nothing. So Krishna said that you have kajal on your one eyes and another eyes is empty. So Radhaji said, Sham, I was putting the kajal, but why did you play the sounds of the flutes? I was coming to meet you after getting ready. So why you played the flute of sound? So when I heard the sounds of your flute, so I was mind restless, and then I left everything and came to you. So then when I heard the sound of your flutes, I became so much restless and I left everything. And here in this Katha, Krishna was so much pleased that just because of me you are so much eager to meet me. So at that time what Krishna did, he bring the kajal from somewhere and he put the kajal on both the eyes of Srimati Radha Krishna. How beautiful pastime is that. So who is the Parbrahma Bhagwan? Krishna. Now what he is doing? So whose sounds of flutes intoxicated or mad, make the mad the people. So we Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that kinds of flute is Jayukta Ho. There are two kinds of service. One is stool seva and one is mansik seva. Mansik seva means, so whatever the service we are doing by the body, that is stool seva, and by all the sevas which is doing by the mind, this is one mansik seva. Yes, the time is over now. Please prepare for the Aarti. In India this is now 7:30 a.m. morning. So there are some shlokas are left. 19 from 19 to 25. 6 shlokas are left only 6 or 7 shlokas left. So within few days we will end up this bhajan rest, and after that we will start Prem Samput. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you for tolerating me. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Chalo bhai, start the Tulsi Aarti. Okay, for Tulsi Aarti you can come to the Hindi page. Hare Krishna.